Welcome everyone. Myself Professor Kivi Kushar in Mechanical Engineering Department from Maratha Vidya Prasar Samaj Rajashri Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic Nasik. We discussed last lecture we discussed the uh, point planning. What is meant by planning? There are types, their importance and what is the function of importance we discussed on this topic in a last lecture. Okay. Today we learn what is the organization, that is the part of process in a function of management. Okay, this is the second part of organization. What is the organization? Is the plan, is the place manager need to organize the necessary resource to accomplish their goals. The organization process transfer plant into reality. Organization can be defined as the process of establishing the orderly use the resource, assigning and coordinating tasks. Okay, the organization is the second function of management. We discussed first function is of planning, and that is the second function. It's follow planning. It is the process by which structure and allocating of the job is done. Organizing refer to the relationship between people, work and resource to achieve the goal. That is the important 3 points to how to relationship between the organization and how to grow this organization. This involves dividing the work into convenient tasks and grouping them properly into the department and section. We discuss in after lecture how to organization divide the task and divide the groups in any organization. And what is the group and what is the section? We taken up for example, that is the maintenance department, purchase department, finance department. That is the function and that is the divided groups and department. Then the jobs are allotting to proper people with the necessary amount of authority and responsibility. That is the point of organization. The basic element of organization, they are given some basic element like a designing job, grouping job, establishing reporting relationship, distributing authority, coordinating authority, differentiating between the position. That is the basic element of the organization. Okay, we discuss first step, organization process. First step is review plans and objectives. Suppose any organization, we taken a example of the in our Satpur MIDC like Anand Eye Power companies. Anand Eye Power company manufacturing the pistons ring in a two-wheeler bike. Okay, first this organization, what is process of this organization? First we review the plans and objective, then determine the work activity necessary to object, then classify and group the necessary work activity into manageable unit. Then what we take, then assign the activity and delegate the authority. Then design in relationship between your works or departments. That is the step of organization process. Okay, some important points are there in a organization. First is a work specialization, chain of command, authority and delegation. That is the point of organization. Work specialization, this is the divide of labor. Work specialization means you are the in an organization or company, they are manufacturing unit, there are some worker or lots of worker are there. We divide the group in a some division. Then chain of command, this is the any unbroken line of authority that links all the person in any organization. That is the chain of command. Authority is the formal and rights of manager to make a decision, issue order or allocating resource to complete the organization goal. In a organization, some management given to authority to manager to how to take a decision, any issue, order, allocating resource and how to increase our production and how to complete our organization goal. That is the main decision or authority given to manager. Delegation is the downward transfer of authority from a manager to subordinate, and that is meant by delegation. This is a chain cycle. Then some difference between authority and responsibility. We taken a one or two examples. Authority is the formal rights of to manager, that is the authority. But responsibility, who taken a responsibility in organization, on the other hand responsibility refer to a duty towards to someone to perform the task. Then authority can be delegated by the supervisor and to the subordinate. Responsibility cannot be delegated. Authority flow downward from supervisor to subordinate, that is the authority. But responsibility flow is the upward direction. Authority has go to longer life than responsibility, but responsibility it has got shorter life than authority. That is a very important point. Okay, that is the authority and responsibility. Authority arise from formal contact or formal legal provision, but responsibility arise from the supervisor and subordinate relationship in a given responsible. Okay, third one is a stepping. What is stepping? Stepping is a process of requirement, selection of acquiring, training, appearing the employees. It is a continuous process. Stepping is easy. Means stepping in any company, industry, any product industry in a production. We take an example as a piston ring. The sometime company have a recruitment and selection the employees, then given her training, then appearing employees. That is a process. This is a continuous process. This is not a 1 year process, 2 years process, or more than year process. That is the process is continuous. They have some worker, then recruitment, and they select and given training and employed and working in any organization. That is the continuous process. Okay, feature of the stepping function they are given, they show the critical management function, recurring activity, hearing rights peoples, continuous function, efficient manage. The managerial function or staffing involved, meaning the organization structure throughout the proper and effective selection, the development of personnel to fill the roles designed in the structure. Staffing involved, there are some given point to understand as to what is the staffing means. Then manpower planning, requirement selection and placement. Company have some in any organization they have 15 workers are there in a manufacturing department, but the load is very high in department. So management we taken a decision to involve and 30 the 50 employees to increase to 80 employees, means they are recruitment the 30 employees in a manufacturing department, then recruitment selection and placing, that training and development, then a remuneration, then performance appraisal and promotion and transfer the employee. These all the staffing relate to the employees. Okay, thank you. Okay.